Hello students, I am Minal Joshi. I am teaching science subject. The first lesson is food and digestion. This lesson is divided into two parts, food and digestion. So first we have to see food. What is food? All the living things need food to stay active and stay alive. We all know this. But why food is necessary to stay active and alive? What the food contains? Let's see. Food contains nutrients. See, food contains nutrients, which is the factor which which is for we are alive and we stay active. The nutrients contains 5 types. First, carbohydrates. Then protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. These all are the nutrients which is in the contents of food. What is carbohydrate and what carbohydrate is essential in the food? Why carbohydrate is essential in the food? Carbohydrates are the energy giving food. Which contain sugar and starch. Carbohydrates contain sugar and starch and they provide energy to do work. The hard work doing people need more carbohydrates because the most of the energies comes from the carbohydrate. And which is rice, example is rice, wheat, potatoes. All these contain carbohydrates and starch. So this is the carbohydrate which is called the energy giving food. Carbohydrate से हमें क्या मिलता है? Energy to do work. Sugar and starch. So the hard workings who are working physically hard work, they need the more energy, and this energy comes from carbohydrates. The example of carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potatoes. All the cereals are contain more carbohydrates. Breads, okay, this contains more carbohydrates because all these breads are comes from these items is made from the wheat and the rice. Okay. So proteins are called body building food. Body building food. Because protein is used to make the new cells. It is help us to grow. That's why children needs more protein because children are growing. So mothers and all the elders say that the children to eat more proteins, and proteins in the pulses, meat and the milk, pulses are contain more proteins. All the sprouts are contain proteins, and proteins are the body building food. They help us to grow. The protein helps to prepare or produce new cells in our body. So these proteins are very useful for the children and which are growing. Okay? तो हमें इसलिए प्रोटीन जरूरी है. Fats, what is fats? We all know fats are contained in oil, then ghee. Okay? All these contains the fats. Why fat is essential? Fat is also an energy giving food. And more starch is giving more energy than the starch. Than carbohydrate or starch. Also, it is provide heat to body. or keeps body warm. That's why in the winter season we are using to take more fats, more ghee, more oil in the winter, because our body needs to be kept warm. The fats help us to keep the body warm. But although it is important, it is energy giving food, it needs in the less quantity. The fats is used or needed in our body is less. Vitamins. Vitamins are fight against diseases. Vitamins are fighter against diseases. All the vegetables, fruits and milk contain vitamins. Vitamins is disease fighter. We need, although it is a disease fighter, we need in the little quantity or less quantity, but it is also very important. We should add vitamins in our diet. Example is vegetables, fruits, milk contains vitamins. So vitamins is a fight diseases. Minerals. Minerals is the production of or protect functioning, proper functioning of bones. And the example of mineral is calcium, sodium, potassium, iodine, iron. These minerals are help us to keep the functions of the bones is healthy, or the proper functioning of the bones. Our teeth, calcium is essential for our bones, potassium is essential for our teeth, and iron is essential in our hemoglobin or the blood. All this comes from the minerals, and minerals contained in the milk, vegetable and fruits same. Although it is also needed in the less quantity. Vitamins and minerals are called protective foods, as it is protect us from diseases. Protective food. See, here we learn why food is essential for us or for living things. We all are the living things, humans, birds and animals. Food is essential. So, plant is also a living thing, but plant prepare their or make their foods own. We need for food on animals and plants. Food contains nutrients which is essential in our body. 5 types of the nutrients are there. Carbohydrates, which is energy giving food. Example is rice, wheat and potatoes. Proteins are the body building foods which help us to grow. Pulses and the milk, eggs, fishes are also included in the proteins. Fats, oil, ghee, these all are the fats. It's more energy giving food than the starch. Also it essential is very less quantity. The fats keep the body warm. Vitamins and minerals are the protective food. As the vitamins fight against diseases, vegetable, fruits, milks contain vitamins and minerals. Minerals are calcium, sodium, potassium, iodine and iron, which is used or which is essential for the proper functioning of the bones. Although of these nutrients, the food contain roughage and water also. Roughage and water. What is roughage? Roughage is a fiber present in the food. Roughage gives or adds bulk to the food. It is very essential for the digestive system. It helps the digestion of the food. Okay, it's a fiber present in the food. It adds bulk. एक mass only suppose This all in the very less quantity. It's not added too much. So all these are added, all these nutrients are absorbed in our body in the blood. And what is other? There is the water and roughage. The roughage adds the bulk to the food and it helps the proper functioning of the digestion. Water, our body contains 3/4 weight of the body is water. Our 3/4 body weight is the water. Water is used for the proper functioning of all our body. So it is very essential. Doctor says to drink at least 3 liters of water a day. Our food also contains some amount of the water because it is very essential. See, 3/4 weight is always a water and roughage is used for it helps the digestion. Okay, see, this chart is very important. Note down and it helps you to remind or memorize all these essential important things in the only one chart. Note down these things and keep learning. Thank you.